Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to add missing audio tracks in your video clips. For example, in this trimmed video, right? For this video clip, I have mistakenly deleted this audio tracks and one more is there. So single audio track I have deleted. So I'm going to show the example how to fix this. For this, right, you need to select the video clip to add the audio track. So for that, right, you need to go to sequence. And here you can see this match frame, or you can use F on your keyboard. So I'm going to choose this match frame. Now the audio and video will be opening in the source window. So just simply write, this is the audio, okay, for this video clip. Simply click and drag this audio part. That's it. What and all audio was deleted, that is added successfully. So this audio clip I don't want. And another one, I just want to show the example, and single track is missing for this audio. So what I'm going to do is simply you can press F or go to sequence and match frame, choosing the video clip and pressing F. Super cool, it is opened here in the source. So I'm going to just simply drag this audio only. Yes, that's it. Now I can delete this one. And one more video clip is there. So simply going to press F or going to sequence and clicking on this match frame. So source window is opened. So going to drag audio only and place it here. Okay. Now audio track is added for the particular video clip. So I'm going to delete and then I'm going to export it. Now, for example, if you deleted the video, right? Example, I'm going to delete another video clips, but audio is there. The same method we can use. So go to sequence. We need to click on the audio. Then go to sequence, match frame. So video will pop up. Now I'm going to simply drag video only. So dragging and placing in the timeline. So that's it, friends. So one more is there. Same thing. Selecting the audio track. Sequence, match frame, video will pop up in the source, and then going to drag video only. So dragging and placing it here. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can fix missing audio or video track in your Adobe Premiere Pro. That's it. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.